Large language models for code are advanced neural networks trained on extensive code datasets to understand, generate, and optimize programming code across multiple languages and frameworks. Code LLMs are specialized large language models developed for understanding and generating code. They are trained on extensive code data sources to develop comprehensive contextual representations for downstream programming tasks. The presentation reveals a code generation landscape characterized by rapid innovation, competitive performance, and diverse strategic options. The emergence of unified approaches, breakthrough fine-tuning techniques, and robust open-source alternatives provides enterprises with unprecedented choice and capability. Organizations that strategically leverage these developments while maintaining flexibility and performance focus will be best positioned to capitalize on the AI-powered development revolution. The key insight is that the market has moved beyond simple model selection to sophisticated strategy formulation, requiring careful consideration of performance requirements, cost constraints, customization needs, and long-term strategic positioning. Microsoft's Code LLM portfolio includes GPT-5 Codex, which is a latest multimodal code model with advanced reasoning, repository scale intelligence, and AI-powered code review capabilities. mta-k translates between Python methods and method docstrings, bridging code and documentation. CodeGPT is pre-trained on Code SearchNet dataset, excels in multi-language code completion and generation. And Phi series contains 1.3B parameter models demonstrating that high-quality datasets outperform larger models like Llama 2.7b. It shows Google's comprehensive approach to AI-powered programming through three distinct but complementary systems: AlphaCode, PalmCoder, and Lambda. This analysis examines Google's strategic positioning in the code generation market, highlighting their focus on competitive programming excellence, multi-language capabilities, and enterprise-grade safety standards. The slide reveals Google's differentiated approach that emphasizes both raw performance and practical enterprise deployment considerations. For business stakeholders, Google's approach represents both an opportunity and a challenge: the opportunity to leverage superhuman coding capabilities, and the challenge of meeting the resource and infrastructure requirements necessary to realize these benefits. Organizations must carefully evaluate whether Google's high-performance, safety-focused approach aligns with their specific needs, resources, and strategic objectives. The slide represents Meta's unified code generation, strategic technology comparison. Encoder architecture. Meta's encoder represents a sophisticated approach to unified code generation, leveraging mixture of experts, architecture for efficient parameter utilization. This design enables the model to handle both program synthesis and code editing tasks within a single framework, reducing operational complexity for enterprises. Code Llama 3.3 Evolution. The latest 70B Instruct model demonstrates Meta's commitment to competitive programming excellence, featuring the 128K context window that enables processing of entire code bases. The multilingual support and enhanced reasoning capabilities position it as a comprehensive solution for global development teams. The comparison reveals Meta's dual strategy approach. Encoder focuses on efficiency and unified workflows, while Code Llama 3.3 emphasizes raw performance and scale. This strategic positioning allows Meta to address different market segments, from resource-conscious enterprises to performance-critical applications. Performance benchmarks. The 2025 data reveal significant performance improvements across leading models. AlphaCode 2, 65% pass at 10 accuracy represents substantial advancement in complex problem solving. Pangu Coder 2, 62% pass at 1 human eval score demonstrates strong single attempt success rates. mta-k, 74% pass at 1 performance surpassing GPT-4 indicates breakthrough in fine-tuning methodologies. The performance metrics indicate a maturing market where multiple players achieve competitive results. The diversity of high-performing models suggests reduced vendor lock-in risks and increased negotiating power for enterprise buyers. The emergence of specialized models like mta-k demonstrates the value of targeted optimization approaches. Open source code LLM ecosystem. Eleuther AI Innovations, GPT-NeX 2.0 with deep speed support and curriculum learning represents significant infrastructure advancement, enabling efficient training and deployment of large-scale models. Salesforce Research Progress, Code Gen 2.5 and Code 5+ demonstrate the power of focused research, with 7B parameter models outperforming larger 16B alternatives through architectural innovations and bimodal capabilities. Hugging Face Ecosystem, Star Coder 2 series trained on 4+ trillion tokens across 600+ programming languages establishes new standards for multilingual code generation, with grouped query attention improving inference efficiency. The open-source ecosystem demonstrates remarkable velocity and innovation, often matching or exceeding proprietary solutions. This trend reduces total cost of ownership for enterprises while providing greater customization flexibility. The diversity of approaches, Eleuther AI's infrastructure focus, Salesforce's efficiency optimization, Hugging Face's scale and accessibility, creates a robust competitive landscape. Encoder innovation, multitask fine-tuning breakthrough. Multitask architecture, Encoder's simultaneous parallel fine-tuning approach eliminates the need for separate optimization processes, reducing training time and computational overhead while improving model coherence across tasks. Data imbalance solutions, the sophisticated loss function implementations address critical challenges in multitask learning, ensuring consistent performance across diverse coding tasks with varying difficulty levels. Performance achievement, the 74.4% pass-at-1 score on human eval, surpassing GPT-4's 67% performance, demonstrates the effectiveness of the multitask approach and represents a significant competitive advantage. Encoder's breakthrough performance indicates that specialized fine-tuning approaches can outperform general-purpose models, even those with significantly larger parameter counts. The open-source availability of the complete implementation democratizes access to state-of-the-art techniques. The rapid evolution of code LLMs in 2025 to 2026 demonstrates breakthrough achievements in multimodal reasoning, agentic capabilities, and cybersecurity applications, marking a new era of AI-powered software engineering.